paying with your Capital One virtual card in store is surprisingly straightforward. Today I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to utilize this payment method. Firstly, to pay with your Capital One virtual card in store, you'll need to add it to your digital wallet, whether it's Apple Wallet or any other compatible wallet app. The process remains consistent across different wallet platforms. Let's focus on Apple Wallet for now. Open the Apple Wallet app and locate the plus icon to add a new card. You'll be presented with two options to add a debit or credit card. Select the appropriate option and proceed. At this stage, you'll be given the choice to enter your card details manually or automatically. Opting for manual entry is advisable since your card details are readily available within the app. Simply input your card number and any other required information. Once you've completed this step, your Capital One virtual card will be successfully added to your Apple Wallet. Now, you can make contactless payments at any participating store hassle-free. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering the process of paying with your Capital One virtual card in store.